So, your Hotpoint washing machine F01 error just popped up, and now your laundry plans are on hold. Don't worry, let's break this down in plain English. First things first, what does Hotpoint washing machine F01 actually mean? In short, it's a motor issue. More specifically, it's a problem with something called the motor triac. This little component inside your machine is responsible for controlling how fast the motor spins. If the triac or its connections go bad, or if there's a problem with the motor itself, your washing machine simply can't run the way it should. That's when the dreaded F01 code shows up. Now, this doesn't mean your washing machine is done for, but it does mean the electronics inside are having trouble communicating with the motor. Sometimes, it's just a loose wire or a connector that's been shaken loose over time. Other times, the control board might have shorted out, especially if there's been a power surge or moisture got inside. What can you do about it? Well, if you're handy, you can unplug the machine and take a look inside the lower rear panel. Carefully check the wiring between the motor and the control board. Look for anything that seems burnt, loose, or broken. If you've got a multimeter and know how to use it, test the motor and connections for continuity. However, if the issue is the actual triac on the PCB, that gets a bit more complicated. Replacing a control board or repairing the motor circuit isn't usually a beginner-level job. Unless you're confident in dealing with electronics, this is probably the point where calling a technician makes sense. Speaking of that, what's it going to cost? If it's just a loose wire or connection, you might get away with a simple fix. But if the control board needs replacing, you're looking at something in the range of $130 to $250, depending on the parts and labor in your area. Here's the takeaway. The Hotpoint washing machine F01 error is serious, but it doesn't always mean the machine is beyond saving. With some patience, and maybe a screwdriver, you might be able to pinpoint the problem. And if not, a trained repair tech will know exactly where to look. So next time that Hotpoint washing machine F01 code flashes on the screen, don't feel helpless. Just know it's your machine's way of asking for a little attention.